Hello viewers, welcome to Java Tech. I'm very thankful to my subscribers. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and get more updates. In my last video, I have shown you how to find duplicate string in string array. Now come to the today's topic. I'm showing printing square root of alternative prime numbers. This is the very most important question in the interview. Without wasting any time, let's watch. Okay. This may I'm showing in Eclipse. This is my class square root of alternative prime numbers, and now I'm writing in Eclipse. This is my main method. I'm writing. I'm taking two integers I and j. For this I'm writing two for loops. One is for iterating the all values. I'm taking first for loop I is equals 0 and I less than I want to print 1 to 20, between 1 to 20. So I'm taking prime numbers will be start from 1. So I'm taking y is equal to 1 here, and between 20 means so I less than 20 I place. I'm taking another for loop 2. This I'm j is equal to 1 and j less than I. Less than I means it will be based on for loop I. If the for loop I is I value is 5, it will be iterated till 5 value. Like this, if I value increases, the j value also increases for iterating. And taking a condition, and if I is I modulo j is equal to 0. Here why I take this means, and prime number means it should be divided by itself and it should be divided by 1. The count will be 2. So I am taking this condition if I modulo j equals 0, and this will be my condition, and I am counting the count, taking count plus count plus. I am initializing my variable with count 0, and I am taking another condition to check the count. Count should be 2 for prime number, so I am taking a count 2, and I am printing a statement. So but square root means it should be multiple, I into I. So I am printing here my I value should be multiple, I into I. For printing alternative, I am taking another condition. I am taking a new variable k, and it should be divided by 2, and it makes 0. I'm counting the k plus. Here I'm making count is equal 0. After completion of one iteration, the count should be 0. Why? Because here count should be must be equal to 2. So I must be initialized with 0 count. I'm initializing k value, k variable, k is equal to 0. This is my program. I completed. Now I want to show you output. I'm running this program. This is my expected output. Alternative square root of prime number 2 and 5 and 11 and 14. Here, thank you for watching. Subscribe.